Welcome to 4205 Tamarisk Drive in Oklahoma City. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's 3,293 square feet, built in 1977. It's right on a golf course, and as you can see, features an indoor pool. Let's go check it out. This home is listed by Jenna Harper of Sotheby's Realty. Big thanks to her for letting me do this walkthrough tour. And as we step through that large front door, we make our way into the entry of the home here. Just off the door, you've got this closet for storage. And stepping into the home, we have the dining area here. We'll come back to that. This is the first of 2 living rooms. It's currently listed at $700,000, and this home is located in the Greens neighborhood in Oklahoma City. Here's our laundry room with washer and dryer. Plenty of storage space all around. You've got an area where you can fold clothes, a sink in the laundry room, and a fold-out ironing board. This is ample sized laundry room. We'll continue down the hallway here and make our way to the first of 4 bedrooms. Plenty of natural light coming in through the window here. This is bedroom number 1. Now we will step into bedroom number 2. Again, a large window letting in plenty of natural light. This is a linen closet storage area here in the hallway. And then we'll check out the first of 3 bathrooms. Beautiful veining on the countertop here, and check out this tile. This stuff is really cool. The previous owner did a ton of renovations to this home. Check out the large shower head and great tile work here in this shower tub combo. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Now we step into the primary suite. Got an electric fireplace right here. And the primary bathroom. Check out this soaker tub. Dual vanities. And a makeup area. Got a nice large walk-in shower with huge rain shower head. Storage area here. Closet for the toilet. And we will step into one of 2 walk-in closets in the primary suite. This is walk-in closet number 1 and walk-in closet number 2 in the primary suite. And also right off the primary suite, we've got this large sliding glass door, which leads out onto this backyard. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you're right on hole number 3 of the Greens golf course. There's the tee box right over there. That was an accident with one of the mowers on the course. They'll be replacing that. And we will make our way back through the home to the other side. This first of 2 living rooms has a very den-like feel. You step down from the entry into this area and check out the beautiful stacked stonework here. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. And then you've got ample room for a nice large TV. And as you see, plenty of area for friends and family to gather. Great view through these large windows that are letting in a ton of light. We'll come back to that in a moment. This is the dining area. And the seating area at the kitchen. Beautiful veining on these countertops. And check out this KitchenAid range. The exhaust vent is built in rather than having it up above. It actually pulls it down, which is a really nice feature. That way you don't have anything obstructing the upper area here. And just look at the detail on these pulls. Large stainless sink. Then here's an oven and a microwave. The refrigerator is right here. You've got a little office desk area for working there. There's a storage pantry. Just on the other side of this door is the 2-car garage. And we've got another bathroom here. Again, excellent tile work. The details, the finishes in this home are great. And here is the second living room. This space is super cozy. Great view of the pool. This is a storage closet. And then just up these stairs is the 4th bedroom. But I know what you really want to see right now, and we're going to go check it out now. There's a fireplace. And check out this pool.
Go ahead and drop a comment down below this video and let me know if you want to see me do a cannonball into that pool or go head first down that slide.
Large slide coming down into the pool. And this is it's a legit pool. It goes all the way up to 8 feet deep, with a diving board at one end, and all of this natural light coming in from these high windows. You can open these up and let it breeze through. More light coming in from the skylights. I mean, how cool is this? And in this space, you also have another half bathroom. And a shower. Again, great tile work in here.
Hey, if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in the Oklahoma City area, my team and I would love to help. You can find all of my contact information down in the description below. Go ahead and give me a call or send me a text or an email, and let's have a conversation to see if we might be a good fit to work together. We'd love to help you make that move. And if you are thinking about a move to the Oklahoma City area, then you'll definitely want to check out this next video for more information on what it's like to live in Oklahoma City.